Okay, right here we're putting the motherboard, probably one of the most important pieces since it's the one that controls everything and that's where one of the main power supply goes. And right here James is just putting it in, installing it into the actual model. Sorry, into the actual tower where it'll stay there. And as you can see, it already has most of the stuff installed in it already, like the RAM right after when they move their fingers right there, the blue, those two little blue ones next to the gigabyte box, and it already has everything else installed. And right now all you have to do is just install the little screws, and that's about it. You just put it in.